whenever you go to market or grocery store, always carry paper bag or cloth bag with you, because today is 3rd July. 3rd July is celebrated as International Plastic Bag Free Day.
International Plastic Bag Free Day was created by Bag Free World. It was created as a worldwide initiative for the purpose of getting rid of the single use of plastic bags around the world. It is all about promoting environment conservation by encouraging us all to stay away from the use of plastic bags and instead look for more eco-friendly alternative. This day gives us an opportunity to remind ourselves and others that every action we take and every bag we dispose of affect the lives of everyone in the world for generations to come. If we can do it on this one date, then we can do it for the rest of the year, isn't it? The day is also important in terms of increasing awareness of the dangerous and the harm that is associated with plastic bags, in terms of the impact they have on marine life, animal life and nature. Even if just for one day, choose paper over plastic, or even better, bring your own bag to the retailers to pick up your goods. The pollution is also extremely dangerous because it is leading to the transportation of invasive species, which can have a catastrophic influence on biodiversity. We are not immune from the impact either. Plastic particles in the ocean attract toxins, which in turn affects us as the toxins enter the food chain. The marine ecosystem in particular is suffering immensely as a result of plastic pollution. 31 species of marine mammals are known to have ingested marine plastic, whilst over 100 species of seabirds have ingested plastic artifact. Did you know that approximately 500 billion plastic bags are used on a global scale? Just think about how many of these bags will end up littered all over the planet. This is having an extremely determining effect on the environment, worldwide and indeed human health. Most of us use them every day. The thin plastic bag used by almost every retailer we visit. Whether we are shopping for groceries, you can almost guarantee that you have been leaving the store with a plastic bag. So from tomorrow onwards, always remember that carry your own bag, not plastic bag.
So on this plastic bag free day, let's learn how to make bag out of this old t-shirt. We need 3 things: old t-shirt, thread and scissors. First, turn this t-shirt like this. Now cut both the sleeve and neck with scissors. Now hold the part of the bottom like this. Now tie a knot with the help of these threads. Now again turn it. Look at this. Your plastic bag is no use. This cloth bag is